So hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see whether this particular transistor, that is bipolar junction transistor, it is an NPN transistor or it is a PNP transistor. Okay, so first of all we will check the terminals. Okay, first of all we will try to identify the terminals of this particular transistor. So as I told you, you have to hold this BJT in your left hand. Okay, I'm holding this BJT in my left hand and the flat side should be facing towards you. So as you can see, this is my flat side and it is facing towards me, right? And then you just have to remember the alphabets, that is A, B, C, and instead of A you have to write E, B, C. Okay, this is E, this is B, and this is C. That means what? This is my emitter terminal, this is my base, the middle one is base, and the lower one, it is collector, right? So this is collector, this is base, and this is emitter. Great. Alright, so as you can see over here, this is my multimeter, and if you could see over here very clearly, we are given two sections wherein we can actually check whether the transistor or BJT that we have, it is a NPN transistor or it is a PNP transistor, right? So for that, what we need to do is that we need to place this knob over here on the HFE section, and then we need to place this BJT either in PNP section or in NPN section. Okay, so for that, what we need to do is that, see, as we had identified the terminals of BJT, that is this one is emitter, the middle one is base, and the upper one it is collector, right? So we just need to place it over here in the NPN section. Okay. Alright, so now that I had placed this BJT in the NPN section, now we need to place this knob on the HFE section, right? On the HFE. So I will just place this knob over here on the HFE. Alright, so as you can see over here, we are getting some huge value somewhere around 360 or 362, right? Okay, so now what I will do, I will again switch off this multimeter, right? And then what I will do, I will just place this BJT in the PNP section. So let me just place it in the PNP section. Alright, so as you can see, I had placed this BJT in the PNP section. Okay, and now we will again place this knob on the HFE. So move it on the HFE, and as you can see, we are getting the value which is almost equivalent to 0. So as you can see, it is decreasing and eventually it will be 0. So basically what it means is that this BJT, it is providing huge value in NPN when we are actually connecting it in the NPN section, whereas we are getting value as 0 in case of PNP, which indicates that this BJT is a NPN transistor. Okay, so I hope you understood how you can actually identify whether this BJT is an NPN transistor or PNP. Okay, so if you love this particular session, if you like this particular session, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.